In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive an order in Shopify. Keeping your order list tidy makes it easier to focus on what needs attention, and archiving is the safest way to move completed or no longer active orders out of your active view without deleting anything. Archiving does not cancel, refund, or change the order. It simply files it away so you can find it later when you need it. Start by signing into your Shopify admin and opening your dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Orders. This takes you to the full list of orders for your store. If you have a lot of orders, use the search bar or filters to quickly locate the one you want to archive. You can search by order number or customer details, and you can filter by status, date range, or tags to narrow the results so you're certain you're working with the right record. Once you've found the right order in the list, click the order number to open its details. This page gives you a complete snapshot of the order, including items, payment and fulfillment status, timeline, shipping details, and any notes or tags. Take a moment here to confirm everything looks correct and that the order no longer requires action. Remember, archiving is for housekeeping. It won't impact your accounting or inventory, and it won't change fulfillment records. It also does not send any notifications to the customer. When you're ready, look toward the top right of the order page for the More Actions menu. Click More Actions to open the drop-down, then select Archive Order. Shopify will apply the archive status immediately. You may see a brief confirmation message, and the order will be moved out of standard open views to keep your workspace uncluttered. The order remains fully accessible from your orders area, and all its information stays intact for reporting, customer inquiries, or future reference. You can still include archived orders in searches and reports by adjusting your filters. If you use saved views for open fulfilled or unfulfilled orders, you'll notice your archived order no longer appears in lists that track active work, which helps you and your team stay focused on what truly needs action. This simple habit can make a big difference in day-to-day efficiency, especially when you're managing a high volume of orders. A few quick tips as you use this process. Consider archiving after you've verified payment, fulfillment, and any follow-up communication are complete. If you're collaborating with a team, align on when an order is considered ready to archive so everyone is consistent. And if you're ever unsure, review the order timeline before archiving to confirm there are no outstanding tasks. Thanks for watching. By following these steps, you'll keep your Shopify orders organized and your workflow clear.